Hello students, let us continue our discussion on the chapter factorization. In the last class, we learned how to factorize the terms using the formula a square minus b square. Today, I am going to discuss with you the middle term factor. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. That means squared term followed by the linear term followed by the constant. To understand the algorithm or how to solve a middle term factor, let us take one example. 6x square plus 13x minus 5. So step 1, we need to find out the product of coefficient of square term into constant. Now here coefficient of square term is 6 and the constant term is minus 5. So 6 into minus 5 equals to minus 30. Now next we need to split this product, that means 30, into two parts such that difference of two term will be equal to 13. Now I said difference of two term. Here sign of the constant terms gives you an idea. We need to find out the sum of two terms or the difference of two terms. Here the sign is negative, so we need to find out two number such that once you find out the difference of two number which will be equal to 13 and the product should be equal to minus 30. So here the numbers are 15 and minus 2. So if you multiply 15 and minus 2, you will get the product as minus 30 and difference 15 minus 2 equals to 13. So let us start the process. 6x square plus 13x minus 5. So in place of 13, I am writing 15 minus 2. So here it will become 6x square plus 15 minus 2 into x minus 5. Now multiply the terms. These two terms we need to multiply. So we will get 6x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 5. Now the next step is you need to take common from the first two term and common from the last two terms. So from the first two term we can take 3x as common. So we will get 2x plus 5. And from the last two terms I am taking minus 1 common. So we will get 2x plus 5. Now at this step these two terms, these two factors should be equal. Now from these two terms we are taking 2x plus 5 common, that will leave 3x minus 1. So the factors of 6x square plus 13x minus 5 equals to 2x plus 5 multiplied by 3x minus 1. Let us take another example. 2x square minus x minus 6. Now if you recall the process, so first we need to find out the product of coefficient of x square, that is 2, into constant term which is equal to minus 6. So 2 into minus 6 equals to minus 12 and here the number is 1. So 4 minus 3 equals to 1 and if you multiply 4 into minus 3 you will get minus 12. So 2x square minus coefficient of x is 1. So in place of 1 I am writing 4 minus 3 into x minus 6. So next step is multiply the numbers. So we'll get 2x square minus 4x minus minus plus 3x minus 6. Now we need to take common from the first two term and common from the last two term. So we are taking 2x common from the first two term. So we will get x minus 2 and common from the last two term common is 3. So we will get x minus 2. Now we will get two terms, 2x multiplied by x minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2. So we will take x minus 2 as common, that will leave 2x plus 3. Moving into the next problem. square of 4 minus x minus 2x. So first we need to split this term, expand this term and express it in the standard form of middle term factor. So here I am applying the formula of a minus b square. So a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square minus 2x. So 4 square equals to 16. 4 to the 2 4 the 8 into x. So 8x plus x square minus 2x. So we will get x square minus 8x minus 2x equals to minus 10x plus 16. Now this is the in the standard form. So product will be equal to 1 into 16 and the numbers are 8 and 2 because here the sign is plus. So we need to find two numbers whose product sum is 10 and the product is 16. So such numbers are 8 and 2. So x square minus, in place of 10 I am writing 8 plus 2 into x plus 16. Now multiply x square minus 8x plus minus minus 2x plus 16. From the first two term we can take x common, so you'll get x minus 8. From the last two term we can take minus 2 common, so you'll get x minus 8. So the factors are x minus 8, we are taking common x minus 8, that will leave x minus 2. Now look at this problem. X minus y square minus 6 into x minus y plus 5. So I assume x minus y as a. So you will get a square minus 6a plus 5. Here product is 1 into minus 5. Coefficient of a square is 1. So 1 into minus 5 equals to 5. And the middle term is 6. And the sign is plus. So we need to find two numbers whose sum is 6 and product is 5. Such numbers are 1 and 5. So a square minus, in place of 6 I am writing 1 plus 5 into a plus 5. Now I am going to multiply these two terms. So a square minus a plus minus minus 5a plus 5. From the first two term I am taking a as common, so you will get a minus 1. And from the last two terms I am taking minus 5 as common, so you will get a minus 1. So you will get a minus 1 into a minus 5. Since we assume a as x minus y, at the end once you factorize you need to replace a by x minus y. So you will get x minus y minus 1, x minus y minus 5. Thank you student. Assignments are given to you based on middle term factor. Solve the assignment and submit it in the Google Classroom. Thank you class.